Ever since I finished a new tray setup on the Triton, I've been keen as to get a new dual battery setup in the Triton, and I finally got it done. So let me show you guys through it. It's a really simple, cheap and easy setup. So let me show you, let's go. Starting straight off, I know some of you are gonna be upset, but I have indeed bought another King's battery, and that is because my other one lasted and worked exactly how it was meant to. So I thought, why not buy another one? And they were the cheapest one for what I wanted to do. So let me show you what I've done in the Triton. As you can see here, guys, I've done a bit of a rear setup for the Triton, and this is because without the canopy now, I had nowhere to put a battery on the back. So what I've done is put it behind the seat, and as you can see, close the seat fine. The only thing that sticks out is this little bit here. As you can see, you can close the seat fine, then you open the seat with the little latch up top, and the battery sits right there. So I've made up all these custom brackets all the way down at the bottom. I'll just mount the light down here quickly. So what I've done is I made up a custom bracket there, and then got those connectable bits from Bunnings that you can buy, and you can just tap them in together. Made it up around the battery. I think this is a 110 amp hour battery, 100 amp hour lithium battery from King's. Super light. Then I've put straps on either side to hold it down, and it actually works amazing. Like, it works killer. And I'll show you the accessories that I've put on it, but that is the battery and the mount that I've done. All works good. It's pretty sturdy in there, so it's not going anywhere, and I've been on a trip and it hasn't come out yet. So let me show you the accessories that I got and the BCDC charger and all that sort of stuff. As you can see, guys, it is a bit of a different looking BCDC charger, and I went with this one. This is the new projector style one. I went with this one because of how compact it is, and it's the exact same price as the Red Arc one, and it does the exact same things. As you can see at the back, got a couple of lights flashing. You probably can't see that because of the light I'm putting on there. But basically, all you have to do is set it to the setting for, there you go, you can see it now, setting for lithium and your alternator setting. And there's also a solar output you can do, which I will be doing in the future. But yeah, as you can see, it's really compact. You can pop that lid off. There's a couple of screws under there. I just double-sided taped the MIDI fuse on there, but it's come off, so I'll have to figure out a better way to mount that. Yeah, the wiring looks all okay. I was a bit rushed to get this done at the stage, but looks pretty good. And then yeah, the BCDC charger, it's super compact. It's only a 25 amp, but it was so cheap. I think it was around 500 bucks. It comes with its own battery monitor as well. As you can see, there you go, guys. 100 amp hour lithium battery, the King's one. Yes, I know what some of you will say, oh, you bought another King's battery. The King's battery has been perfect. It hasn't gone flat once. It has been killer. No solar on it, only when I'm driving, and it's actually been killer. But yeah, I decided to go for a better BCDC charger because the King's ones suck. Going with the King's battery is okay because I've tested one, but I would never use the King's BCDC charger. They are probably crap. I'd never put one of them in my car. I'd rather spend the money on the BCDC charger and get the cheaper battery than the other way around, because those aren't built very good. They're not built like the projector and the Red Arc ones. And yes, the projector do an older BCDC charger, which is cheaper than the Red Arc, and it's basically as good as well, but this one has a bit more fancy features, and it is so compact it fit the spot that I wanted to go, and it looks really good. On the other side here, we have a fuse box. Now this fuse box, so far, I've just got my accessory panel, which is just down here. I'll show you that in a second. But I've also got my water tank off there, but I'm gonna have to wire that a bit differently because I've done it so that you just put the fuse in and it'll turn on for now, because I don't have a switch panel mounted anywhere, which I'm planning on doing as well in a future video. So this cost me $12, and it was actually off Temu, believe it or not. I got that off Temu and it works perfectly. It's 12 bucks. It's got all your earths at the bottom and your positives all through there, and it's even got the light when the fuse is not blown. And down here you'll see I've got my King's accessory panel, and that's just double-sided tape there, looking nice and neat. So if I close this, it's sitting there perfectly. It's got the volt gauge and a couple accessory sockets and a USB port, and that has been working killer. It's been working just exactly how it should. So yeah. So basically, guys, that is my rear seat setup for the Triton. I am going to be putting more lights and stuff in the future on the car, which I'll show you in future videos. But for now, it's just a simple little setup. I will be putting a solar panel on it as well, which you guys will see. But for now, this is doing me perfectly for the trips I'm doing. I just put the fridge in the back seat. I take the back seat out, plug it into the accessory socket, and away you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.